Well, good morning, it's me again. Now, today's project is this fork truck behind me. It's a gas fork truck. As you can see, it's not seen a lot of life lately, but I've bought it off a local farmer. We've done a deal, and I'm taking it to see if I can get it started. What I'm going to do first is give it a tow, just make certain the engine's not seized up or anything like that, and then put it on the trailer. I'll stick the drone up so you'll see me doing all the business, and see where we go. Like I say, where I'm taking it is a bit private, so I can't actually film in this garage. Okay, so I'll give you an update on it in the future, but not just at the moment, as I say. And just before we go, a quick shout out to a good friend of mine in America. Now, I called him my YouTube partner. His name's David Hanno. Oh, I pronounced that right. Now, he's got a Facebook page. I'll link his Facebook page down below. Now, he's got a small holding, he's got a few tractors. Have a visit his Facebook page and give him a hi from me, and it'll be good. Let's say, if you like the video anyway, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, or think about subscribing to the channel. I'll be much appreciated. Anyway, shall we get on with the video now? Thanks a lot. Yeah, I'll just ask you then, if you can get a nudge up there, because just to get it over the lump with a fork trap, and then I'll wind it up, it's a bit heavy to do otherwise. I didn't go, I just told it moved, so. Say, my YouTube channel. Yeah, an old car. Cheers. Where's the fork trap in there? Oh, will you? Right, we've had a bit of a snag. The winch is not that quite good enough, so what we're going to do, we've got the farmer, he's going to come down and he's going to nudge it up with a fork truck. So just take a bit of weight off the winch, get it on the trailer and we'll go from there. Regulator's missing off it by the looks of things. You probably nicked it for a barbecue. How's that look?
Well, you too far now, but anyway, I think you're...
You alright? Alright, I'll dash it down. If you can back me onto it, I'll give you some money.
Yeah, okay. Well, super trailer then, isn't it? A lot better, you'd have the ramp and everything else, really good.
I bought a...
Gas in there or not? I should think there is.
Do you know gas is at short supply at the moment? Here, you need my regulator for your barbecue. You need my regulator for your barbecue.
No, I didn't realise. Look, you look at the pipe, look at the gas pipe. There's nothing on the end. You might have used it for something like that a long time ago.
What?
You need something.
The last gas thing you ever used. When you gas you used.
Yeah, no,
No.
Because
I used to use the patio gas. You have it.
yeah, I know. Sometimes you have
that red thing up on top and it clicks on.
I've been offered some money before, and I have to tell them a lot of the other things. If you ever want some more, I can keep talking. They said we can change it.
Well, you have a truck up the road. You know, another truck.
What's that?
Well, you have a truck up there. Another truck.
Oh, another fork truck. Yeah.
Well,
Better? Why'd you sell me this one then?
No, it's,
this is good stuff. The other one's these things.
Oh, how much?
the other one's gas. You've got another gas gun.
Have we?
Is it all train?
It's a rocker pen with a 20 head.
That's yours. I found it. I was going to use it as a pin, but...
I love it. So, yeah, there's the other one, the yellow one. I mean, what it is. You know what's on it?
Yeah.
Well, how much?
I don't know. Have a look at it. If we get this one going,
Right. Right. No, I'm honestly worried. If I say I'll get it going. Well, there you go. All loaded up. Take it round my mate's place now. Like I said, it's a bit private, so I can't film it round there, but I hope you enjoyed this little video, how I loaded it on the trailer, and it should do well. Thanks a lot for coming along, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.